Hello writers and marketers. Today we're diving into one of my favorite features inside WriteRush, the brand voice module. Let me ask you something. Have you ever published a blog post, read it back and thought, this doesn't really sound like us? That's one of the biggest challenges with AI-generated content. When multiple writers or AI tools are involved, brand voice can easily get lost. But that's exactly what WriteRush solves. In this video, I'll show you how to train WriteRush to write in your unique voice, so every piece of content sounds authentically consistent, natural, and on brand. Let's jump in and see how it works. Step 1. Access the brand voice module. From the WordPress dashboard, I'm clicking on the WriteRush menu on the left, then selecting brand voice. This brings us to the Create a New Brand Voice screen. Think of this as your control center for teaching WriteRush how your brand sounds, your tone, style, and personality. Remember, the goal is to have the AI maintain your tone, style, and personality in the content it generates. Right away, you'll see two main sections, brand identity and training source. Let's walk through them step by step. Step 2. Set up brand identity. First, we define the basics. Here, I'll enter a brand voice name. I'll call this one My Brand Casual Tone. This name helps you easily identify and switch between voices later, especially if you manage multiple brands or styles. Next is the description field. I'll add something like a friendly, conversational, and slightly witty tone that feels human and approachable. This description is optional, but it's useful for internal clarity, especially for teams or agencies. Step 3. Choose a training source. Now we get to the most important part, training the voice. WriteRush gives us 3 training options, and you can use one or combine multiple. On screen, you'll see toggles for 1. Text snippet. This lets you paste sample writing directly into WriteRush, perfect for blog paragraphs, landing page copy, or social captions. 2. File upload. Here, you can upload documents like PDF, doc, docx, or txt files. Great if you already have brand guidelines or past articles. 3. WPIQ. This is a standout feature. WPIQ allows WriteRush to analyze your existing WordPress posts to learn your style automatically. If you've been blogging for a while, this option is pure gold. It trains the AI using content you've already published. For this demo, I'll turn on text snippet. Step 4. Train the brand voice. I'm pasting in about 1,000 words of sample content. A mix of a witty intro from a past blog post, a more informative section, and a personal style conclusion. This gives WriteRush a well-rounded understanding. Once the sample is in, I click Analyze Brand Voice. You'll see a short loading state, and that's it. In just a few seconds, WriteRush confirms that the brand voice is successfully created and ready to use. Step 5. Create multiple brand voices. One powerful thing to note is you're not limited to just one voice. You can create a casual blog voice or a formal corporate voice, different voices for different clients. For example, an agency could create a profile called Client X, formal voice trained using press releases or brand documents. Switching between voices is instant, and each one stays completely separate. Step 6. Use the brand voice in content creation. Now let's see it in action. I'm heading back to the WriteRush blog creator. At the top of the workflow, there's an option to select a brand voice profile. I'll choose My Brand Casual Tone. From this point on, titles, outlines, drafts, everything will follow this voice. Let me generate a quick social media caption. On-screen comparison, with versus without brand voice. On the left, you'll see a caption generated without a brand voice. It's fine, but generic. We've released a new update that improves efficiency. Read our blog to learn more. Now on the right, here's the same prompt generated with my brand voice. Big news, we just made WriteRush faster and smarter so you can get more done in less time. The difference is obvious. Tone, energy, personality, it actually sounds like me. That's the brand voice module doing its job. Step 7. Blog draft before and after. Let's try one more example, this time with a blog introduction. First, I generate an intro without a brand voice. It's technically correct, but very generic. Now I regenerate the same intro using My Brand Casual Tone. The new version opens with a question and feels conversational. This means less rewriting, less editing, and faster publishing. Step 8. Best practices for best results. Here are a few quick tips to get the most out of the brand voice module. Always use high-quality samples. The AI learns what you give it. A few hundred words is usually enough to start. You can update or retrain your voice anytime as your brand evolves. Create separate profiles for different content types if needed. WriteRush is flexible and adapts as you do. Thanks for watching. And there you have it, a deep dive into mastering the brand voice module in WriteRush. As you saw, this feature ensures that using AI doesn't mean losing your unique style. The result? Content that's consistent and authentic even though an AI helped create it. Think about the implications. If you're a solo blogger, this keeps your posts on brand even on days you lean on AI more heavily. It bridges the gap between human and machine. You teach the AI to be a better reflection of you or your brand. If you're a content manager with a team, it means drafts from different writers come out in a unified tone, less time spent revising for consistency. And if you're managing multiple brands or clients, you can seamlessly switch voices and each client's content stays true to them. So go ahead, give this a try. Head into WriteRush, set up your brand voice profile or profiles, and watch how your next AI-generated draft sounds uncannily like it was written by, well, you. If you're not yet using WriteRush, this feature alone is a compelling reason to test it out. It's not just generic AI, it's your AI. Drop a comment if you have any questions about the setup, or if you've experienced the brand voice module. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. And as always, if you found this deep dive helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more WriteRush tips and AI writing insights. Keep writing, keep that voice strong, and I'll catch you in the next video.